क्या हाल है, कैसा फील हो रहा है? अब तो वो एक आके अब तो वो एक स्टेबिलिटी आ गई ना उसमें.
Yeah. नहीं, you just mentioned the thing about Majboor के
Yeah.
after the success of the song, it's been amazing. The response has been amazing. हमने इतने अच्छे projects अब collaborations वगैरह align किए हैं, and there's so much coming out in the next few months, 3-4 months. के I myself didn't think के you have some dream collaborations, some dream platforms कि मैं इनके साथ काम करूँ, इनके साथ गाने बनाएं, ऐसे करें, some very good producers. तो yeah, you just get approached by these people and you just can't believe it.
But आपने देखा है ना कि आपको क्या कहना वाली लड़की,
मजबूर
गर्ल और कह दो ना गर्ल, you have seen that you are being called by these names.
That line is like it has a crazy recall.
Seriously.
तो वो लोगों के दिमाग में जो है ना वो फंस गई है, वो रिपीट. अब मेरे से कोई भी मिलता है ना, it's very funny. अब yesterday I was at a shoot, so the makeup artist goes
गाना मेरे ऊपर
कहता मेरे दिमाग में फंस गया, so I cannot get it out of my head. मैंने कहा everyone is like that. अभी आजकल मेरे से जो भी मिलता है वो मुझे यही कहता है.
सिर्फ ये नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि एक्टिंग भी बड़ी अच्छी थी. वो जो आपने अदाएं दिखा के बोला ना,
the director Murzi bhai Murtaza, he was not sure. It was like my first video. So everyone was very normal on the set, and they were, I could sense के उनको लग रहा है कि मैं थोड़ी सी shy होंगी, camera shy वगैरह, but I'm not
जैसे
camera
I
don't have stage fright. I don't have वो camera shy नहीं हूँ मैं. तो मुर्जी भाई wow, one take. हाँ, वो एक दो takes हो रहे थे, और उसमें I just love being in front of the camera. It's not के I hate it. Some people say that they hate it, but they have to do it just because they're in this profession. या गाने शाने बनाते हैं, acting करते हैं. लेकिन no, I don't hate it.
So आप लाहौर से हैं?
Yeah.
ठीक है. क्या पढ़ा है आपने?
So I've studied jewelry and gems.
Oh wow.
Yeah, jewelry design.
कहाँ से ये भी subject होता है लाहौर में?
Yeah. There's a university called Pakistan Institute of Fashion Design.
Okay, please do not judge me. I'm sorry. लोग बोलेंगे ना किस बबल में.
No one expects me.
Maybe और कराची में भी होता हो, भाई होता होगा, मुझे नहीं पता.
नहीं, लाहौर में there are just two.
Wow, this is so cool. I think this would be so much fun to study.
Yeah, I was always from arts. Like
तो पढ़ा आपने क्या? gems and
jewelry. Yeah.
काम आप ब्यूटिशियन का कर रही हैं.
Yeah.
फिर आपने गाना शुरू किया, अब आप कॉन्सर्ट्स भी करें. ये क्या zigzag चल रहा है?
So I was like working as a makeup artist, or I was in the beauty business for the past like अब तो 8-9 साल हो गए. I was very young. I started practicing it. Music is something that I did not teach myself. It's not a skill that I taught myself. Lekin the makeup, artistry and everything I had to teach myself. So I started practicing a long time ago, and I just loved it. I still love it.
Okay.
Now I have a salon in Lahore.
Okay.
After my graduation, I opened it because it was very hard to keep track of clients and my studies.
मतलब उससे पहले आप freelance
हाँ, उससे पहले I was just working like home based from my own ease. वो होता है कि मैं बस कर लूँ, और my university was very close to my house. So since it was home based, तो मैं जल्दी clients और university handle कर लेती थी, and I loved my degree. मेरे लिए वो बस ये था because it's very interesting. People don't know much about it, but jewelry, it's like a luxury thing. People just don't buy jewelry.
Yeah.
Like मैंने लेनी है. If you have extra money, you want to spend, then you go get it. So yeah, it's very interesting, and it's gems jewelry apart from the gold silver thing.
True.
Gems are very interesting to study. मैं किसी के पास देखती हूँ ना, तो I just ask them कि ये कौन सा है, where did you get it from?
तो सब्जेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं इस
हमारे सब्जेक्ट्स जो है, हमारी मेटलर्जी होती है जिसमें हमारे मेटल्स वगैरह का, दैट्स अ थियरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट. देन हैंड क्राफ्टिंग होती है, वी मेक ज्वेलरी इन द स्टूडियो.
कितना थेरेप्यूटिक होता होगा?
या इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी हार्डकोर टू, क्योंकि वो यू हैव टू एक्चुअली मेल्ट the silver or whatever you're working with, silver, copper, and you have to make things out of it, like proper jewelry pieces, proper chains, proper earrings वगैरह. So we actually made pieces in our thesis
में किया
like 6 to 7 pieces. And it was so fun. फिर gem carving वगैरह भी होती है हमारी.
आपके आज जिससे मेरा बदला देना
Yeah, it actually messes up your hands and all, but it's very fun. हमारे पास we have really nice machines in our university and really nice faculty. और मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था when I got into foundation year, then I found out that there's this subject. I was never interested in fashion. मतलब I can look at a cloth and tell कि हाँ ये अच्छा है या बुरा है, but designing it, no, I cannot do that. तो jewelry is something that like.
और कितने साल का कोर्स है?
It's a 4-year.
डिप्लोमा होता है सर्टिफिकेट?
Yeah,
डिग्री
proper.
Okay. तो वो आपने किया और ग्रेजुएट करते ही साथ आपने सैलून अपना
खोल लिया. I just opened up a salon.
ठीक है, and then वो चल रहा था, साथ साथ आप अपने गाने भी गा रही थी जो मैं देख रही हूँ. Like last I can recall is like Instagram पे अगर मैं देखूँ तो 2021 से.
Yeah, I've been uploading covers long time ago.
It was like covers by Zoha के नाम से, right?
Zoha, yeah. Then I changed it because now I have to do original and my own song. So my management, they suggested that you should like change your name, username to like Zoha Wasim.
सही बात है. तो गाने का शौक शुरू से था, किससे इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हुई आप?
गाना तो as you know early as I can remember कि जब आपको सेंस आना शुरू होती है थोड़ी सी, तो you're very young. I don't know, I'm just telling about myself.
हम आपके बारे में ही जानना चाह रहे हैं.
मतलब वैसे ही एक जनरली मुझे लगता है आर्टिस्ट सबके साथ यही होता है कि they just don't wake up one day and decide कि हमने गाना गाना है या सीखना है. It's not something that you can teach yourself. आप उसको बेहतर कर सकते हो, like जो रियाज वगैरह होता है सारा कुछ. So I actually had very good teachers and some, but I never got the chance to
learn from
train myself.
तो बस आप बचपन से गाती थी?
Yeah.
और फिर Instagram पे how did you decide कि मैं इसको Instagram पे डालना शुरू करूँ?
So my friends, it's always the friends.
I know.
Yeah, they like pressure you कि नहीं तुमने करना ही करना है या डालो कुछ भी नहीं है वो होता, रिकॉर्ड करो और फिर बस अपलोड कर दो, सब सुनेंगे, अच्छा लगेगा. So that's how it starts.
लेकिन जब डाला था तो जहन में ये था कि मैं सिंगिंग के प्रोफेशन को एज अ प्रोफेशन करूंगी या बस आपने फन में डाल दिया?
No, just I mean just for fun. Like you just keep putting stuff on Instagram.
तो फिर सिंगर बनना ख्वाब था या जैसे आप अभी कह रही हैं कि?
No, I never thought that I'd do it professionally. But yeah, you just start getting attention of some people on a social media platform because there are a lot of people.
मैंने ये देखा है कि कॉन्सर्ट्स आपने मजबूर के बाद नहीं शुरू किए, आप पहले से कुछ इवेंट्स कर रही थी, right? If I'm not wrong, जो मैंने देखा थोड़ा बहुत.
I used to like sing ghazals and all.
Exactly.
I was from that genre.
Yeah.
So I had this. I'm from Kinnaird. Like I did my college from Kinnaird. वहाँ पे I had this teacher. His name is Sir Abdul Rauf. So he was a music teacher, but since music was not my subject, someone got me to meet him. So he found out कि अच्छा ये गाती है और ये थोड़ी गज़लें वगैरह भी गा लेती है. So he took me to Alhambra. Alhambra was very exclusive at that time. It's like ये तो मैं बता रही हूँ when I was 18 back in college. It's been a lot of years. Now I'm 24. But तब फिर it was very exclusive and I didn't realize back then, but now I do कि not everyone was supposed to perform in Alhambra and that too on Madam Noor Jahan's tribute.
Yes.
No one was like allowed to do that. But मेरे सर जो थे वो मुझे करवाते थे परफॉर्म कि तुमने करना है, तुम्हारी आवाज़ अच्छी है और तुम सीखो इसको, like properly classical training तुम लो. So a lot of people now, like I just told you, I was at the shoot. So these new artists, they like come up to me and they say, "Oh, we just heard that you are classically trained." Just because they heard that मैं गज़ल वगैरह गाती थी, but no, I'm not. I just used to sing ghazals and all. So everyone thinks that I was classically trained, but I'm not.
तो family की support थी? Family had no objections क्योंकि आप जाके perform करी थी?
Yeah, they always loved it.
Okay.
Like they're very chill about it. My father loves to sing.
Oh, he loves to sing also?
Yeah, he loves to sing.
So do you sing with him?
No, I don't. He just, we just fight and argue a lot के हमारे genes जो हैं इसलिए हैं कि because he sings. But yeah,
तो वो credit ले रहे हैं.
Yeah.
वो कह रहे मेरी वजह से तुम ऐसी हो. Good.
Yeah, he
I like
sings
it.
very nice.